Okay, guys. I'm actually really happy, but can you play Roblox? Okay, let's play Roblox. So, we're gonna play Roblox.
Kumusta yung sa ano?
Roblox.
Sa yung service natin na it's really provided sa
Ano?
things
Survivors.
because
Let's play another game.
bi-weekly call
Draw me now, because I can't replay.
basically meron
See, I can replay.
na 20% sa kanya.
Maybe.
And then, that's what?
Message.
Weekly.
Message. Who's messaging me? This kind of just get away me. Settings. You know you can make voice chat. It is a voice chat screen time. Okay, bye.
Yung Wednesday. Sige. Kasi naman, yung iba yung last time naman, ano naman, Friday. So, kaya kinasal ko na yung this Wednesday. So, cancel ko na po.
So, it's kind of boring. How would you say? They still doing that?
Cancel.
Nah, I don't think they're still doing that. Okay, fine. Let's play. What's happening? What?
Can you get me cotton swab, yung pang ears? Yan, ito yung pinakansel ko. Pero, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman kami sa Friday. Wait, yung lang. Yes po.
Last one. Can you give me a
So, yeah, so Jessica, yun sa build
No, that or not.
Sorry guys, so we'll start with build muna. And then, yun nga.
You spray on this.
You can start with the sun Fortnite.
Dikit mo lang
Start
ganito.
to sa sun tayo. And then, yan, may tanong naman sa siya about sa game. So,
No, this one.
is it like
this.
the start muna Jessica? Kamusta?
Nothing like this.
Aba, meron. Pero,
Let's play Still a Brainlock.
that's
Still a Brainlock.
yes, that, aba.
So, okay, my other get this. I kind of poor and all the players still my brain works and look shiny. Oh my god. Bro, what are you doing? I'm good, right? Let me just press this. He looks Sammy. Bro, Sammy. Is that where? Is that Michigan? That's just not. Okay, just better. Look, Sammy. No, Sammy. No. It's actually the same height. No, let me see something good. Okay, sounds here. Okay. And look at this brain notes. Oh my god, it's good brain note. Oh, legendary. I love that.
Chimpanzini banani.
Legendary. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Giraffa celeste.
It's actually so cool. Let's go. Okay, look at that now.
si Pao na pinili ko lang just I think it was from Supplier.
Dami guys.
Opo, diretso na kay Brian. Like, guys na ano. Oh, within next week po, kaya ko po send ko. Ito yung next na target ko. Ang pyesa. Netflix na po. Ano na po, ang naging progress or what is good on that is may access na sa HR sa application si MDebic. Kaya siya na yung nag-i-enter on that. Kaya meron ng extra na ginawa lang this week. Tapos meron na ano. So yung, so kung siya yung talagang blank, yun, mas mabilis. Kaya yung iba, walang ano, talagang opo, lahat ng upcoming incoming resources si Emma. Opo. Yeah, we're trying to check kasi na everyday yung access, yung knowledge ng team, kaya nag-follow na kami hanggang makapa ng leads natin. Yes po. Hindi pa po. Itong local kasi ito ni Jessica. So, ita-transfer kanya to dun sa SharePoint clinic. May ito na kasi siya nagka-access. Hindi pa po. Copy yan nung kahapon. So, i-update ko muna. Update ko lang yan sa software ko. Sama okay na. Sige. I-check ko. Thank you. Ay, hindi ba yan? Ano yan? Wala pa yan siya. Oo, copy na dapat. Yes, Si Lester naman po, June 3. June 3 na yung start. So, and then, last, meron ka pa, Jessica? Yeah. So, stopping wise, ang kulang kasi natin, CCB 2, 3 tester, and then puro mga ORT, and automation na. So, yung sa testing lead, merong biglang naging available na galing kanila Venus, like that. Hindi inaalam ko pa kung anong project sila, pero testing lead siya check. So, available siya ASAP. So, kung yung proposal, ginawa ko na. So, ang ano lang doon is challenge siya. So, kala ko first day ko. Actually, manalo tayo sa challenge. Pero, ano siya, June 1. June 1. Pero ano na project na first day sila. So, I'm not sure kung na-lost nila yung tracking. Pero, hopefully, ma-win natin yan. Para hindi masyadong malaki impact tayo sa video. Kasi extend and partial.
Okay, bye.
Yes, umokay naman daw si Arsenal. So, kausapin ko sa 30 minutes.
Happy Robux. Okay. Okay, let me get this. More stuff. Yep. More Robux on. And more Robux with legendary skins. Legendary skins. All of my words. Okay, please is real. Please. This is real. Please is real. I will see my Roblox account is real. I will be shocked. Oh my god. Okay. I do want.